Hello and welcome, new and old subscribers. If you are a visitor, subscribe now. And if this is your first time, I'm thrilled that you're here. Let's get this Dollar Tree haul started. Wow, can you believe it's the end of January already? It's like this month took an extra long time to get through. But other than that, here's a great Dollar Tree haul. We have these vapors, shower vapors. They actually work. I tried it, put it in my shower, and actually I put a little extra eucalyptus essential oil on mine to give it a little bit more. I don't know if it helped or not, but it worked, at least in my case. And here are the two infamous hand sanitizers, the caramel apple scented and the salted caramel scented. And these were the last two at the Dollar Tree that I found. The last two. So I haven't found the blue one, just these two. Wow, they're gone quickly. Then we have these BioPure urinary tract infection test strips. There's 3 strips in each box. Results within 1 minute, and it's $1.25. Be great for just in case. You never know. These are great. These lemon ginger chews. It's a 2-ounce bag, 100% natural, only 15 calories, and they actually work. I've tried them. And tip, do not bite them because it'll stick in your teeth, but just suck it. You know, if you have a little tummy ache or something like that, it'll help. You can keep it in your purse, your bag, if you're traveling. Now it's time for our Dollar Plus section. It may include 1, 2, or even more Dollar Plus items for you to enjoy. Oh my, $15? Wow, this is an inflatable bunny, lights up, and it's 48 inches. And this one comes with a little bunny and holding an Easter egg basket, but still $15. The next one is a bunny holding a carrot. Of course, it lights up as well, but it's $15. The last one is an inflatable egg, lights up, 48 inches, and again, $15. Believe it or not. Last but not least, we have this egg that is, you can put water in there, I guess, probably nothing, cold beverages only. Well, this is all I have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Subscribe. I'm almost at 1,000. I have probably less than 20, about 20 more people, subscribers. So come on out and help me. Subscribe and send me a little comment. Thank you. Like I always say, be blessed until next time and be better than yesterday.